Corleone learned how to jump out the truck. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Cor. Yay. That he started 2 days ago. I didn't even realize it. I usually open up the back. And I came back to get him. And he was out. And he's learned how to go up 3 steps. So I usually hide my flip-flops on the steps. And I can't do that anymore because he can crawl up 3 steps. Right, baby? So I just want to let everyone know Corleone is, he's 4 months today. The 2nd of September, 4 months. He was born on May 2nd. And he learned how to go up a couple steps and jump out the truck. Right? Right, Corley?